While Craig heads for the showers, Lisa Barrow rallies into view with this week's Motor News.
This week, we look at the latest news in crash testing. Current required government tests are run head-on into a flat barrier at 30 miles per hour. But recently, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety conducted a 40-mile-per-hour offset crash test, which means only one side of the car is driven into a deformable barrier. Research shows that this type of crash better represents a real-world collision. The offset crash, which tests how far a vehicle's structure intrudes on occupants, complements the government's barrier test, which assesses seat belts and airbags. Mercedes-Benz was the first company to begin offset crash testing over a decade ago. Since then, other European, Asian, and American manufacturers have followed suit. In the most recent test, 14 midsize cars were crashed. As expected, the larger Chevrolet Lumina, Ford Taurus, and Volvo 850 fared the best, while the smaller Mitsubishi Galant, Chrysler Cirrus, and Nissan Maxima received the poorest marks. Expect consumer groups to pressure car companies to put all cars through this test. And that's it for this week's Motor News.